Action is the key. But look, if you're setting goals and you're trying to conquer, you build a $20 million real estate portfolio, you're trying to raise $10 million for a startup, you're trying to change the world, you're trying to maybe you're looking around social media and you're comparing yourself to other people.
Yeah, don't do that.
If you set really high goals, and really steep cliffs to jump off of course it's even more scary.
Sure.
The key to all of this, Ed, the key to all of this is starting really small, starting low stakes, starting not that scary, setting really achievable goals, and just jumping in when the stakes are low. Like do something that's really boring, really small to get going. Because business, as we know, is about momentum. It's all about momentum.
Yep.
12 years ago, when we founded my company, I was in a college dorm or a college apartment, and I had a car and a couple boxes, and I stored some boxes in my apartment, and we made money from day one. If I would have had the goal, if I was reading Elon Musk's biography and I was like, I want to be an entrepreneur and I was going to go change the world with a new business idea, I would have done it for a couple of years, failed, and went and got a job.
Yep.
Instead, I put one foot in front of the other, didn't take any crazy risks, went out and made a little bit of cash. The next year, my capital, my network, the three things that you really need to grow a business, which is skills, capital, and a network, all three of those were a little bit better, and I did a little bit more. So fast forward 5 years, and oh my gosh, now I got some real skill. I got a little bit of capital, and my network has grown even more. So I know more people, and I know more. I have the amount of people in my web that are all helping each other is bigger. I can do even bigger things and better things 5 years later. So yes, it's fearful, and yes, taking action is hard. You don't have to go try to conquer the world. And as a matter of fact, that's a way to actually fail.
Yeah, hit singles.
Go out, do a little bit, put one foot in front of the other, take little things. But the problem is, like, nobody's willing to do work now and get paid for it 5 years later.
Right.
I did that first building. We started that first building, planning for it in 2014. Broke ground in 2015. Got it open in early 2017. I made my first dollar from that in 2019.
Yeah.
That's 5 years.
Delayed gratification.
5 years. It's really hard. And it seems unsurmountable. And when you're starting and you got nothing, you got no network, you got no capital, you got no skill, it all seems totally insurmountable. It seems like a mountain that cannot be climbed. What I'm going to encourage people to do, what the main takeaway of this should be, is like, just lower your goalpost.
Right.
Move the goalpost closer to you. Start taking steps and take little small risks. Maybe you're house hacking. Maybe you're getting that first duplex. You're starting a little entrepreneurial endeavor to start to build some capital. You're going to go underwrite a small building. You're going to go try to buy an $80,000 rental property in your town and get it on Section 8, something.
Right.
To get the ball rolling down the hill.
Yep.
This episode of The Sweaty Startup is brought to you by Bold SEO. It is an SEO and link building agency to help your small business rank higher on Google. My brother's business, The Lawn Squad, it was having trouble ranking. We started a backlink building schedule for 4 months, and Andrew is #1 on Google Maps now in his town where he does lawn care, and it has accelerated his business. He sent me a text last week that said, "Nick, I can't believe how much my phone is ringing. It's been an unbelievable thing." So if you want to supercharge your business and get yourself ranked higher in the Google Maps and Google search results, visit boldseo.com and set up a call with one of our reps, and you will learn a lot from the call, even if you don't end up buying link building from us. Again, boldseo.com to rank higher on Google.